we collect all the polythene and plastics and non-biodegradable solid wastes here. From the hospital, we take everything. All the non-biodegradable solid waste, plastic, polythene and others, we deposit here, and we think to give it for recycling.
Wastewater treatment. Greenery, tree plantation. Hospital building. Treated water. A panoramic view of our greenery.
So this is vinca. You know, the vinca is an alkaloid, and this is a drug for acute leukemia, in blood cancer, leukemia. The alkaloid used as drug, that is vinca, vincristine, but the mother product is here. This plant, this is called Dhanvantari in Bengali and some part in Hindi. But this is a lemon grass. This is very useful because it contains so many antioxidants. This plant, everybody knows, Tulsi. Tulsi, this Ocimum sanctum. Botanical name is Ocimum sanctum. You know, Tulsi, and this is Basaka. So Tulsi and Basaka, you know, these are very taken as, this has got some medicinal value. This is the hydrant, here is the Kadamba tree. Why we have done it here? Just because Kadamba, its roots, stem, leaves, fruits, everything contain much amount of ascorbic acid salts, which absorbs, I'm not going to detail it, which absorbs the pollution, the inorganic and organic pollution from the soil, and make the non-fertile land a fertile one. Because the ingredient of the polluted soil contains so many inorganic phosphates, sulfates and others, which are a hindrance for growing plants in the soil. Soil becomes non-fertile. But this Kadamba tree, what it will help, this will draw the inorganic phosphates and sulfates from the water and soil to make the soil more clear. The leaves and trees that will fall in the ground, they will also absorb some amount of inorganic or organic substances from the soil. But this tree is very beneficial in removing the pollution of the earth. We have seen the garden as a whole in gist. So many plants for water treatment, herbal plants, groves of timber trees, groves of timber trees all around the garden. We have made a fine greenery here. This land was at least 10 feet deep, at least 10 feet, 10 to 12 feet. Our land filling is from 3 to 12 feet. Land filling we have done here. This was a very low marshy land. We have designed it, we have done the land filling, and then we have planted trees. Now it becomes a nice garden now. Apart from the beautification, water treatment, scientific outlook, mass awareness, anti-pollution, everything. The last but not the least is that this place was a den for anti-socials. Now these areas, because there is a garden, people come and enjoy as a garden. Everybody comes here to see this garden. And now the anti-social activity chapter is over in this hospital, at least in this area. Here you can see this is solar light. Solar light we have arranged just to make people aware that we must not waste energy.